Hello everyone, so in this video we will be creating groups in Active Directory. So we will go into tools, Active Directory, users and computers, and once this is open where we want to create a group, we go into the whatever OU you have set up for the groups and right click and create a group new and group. So we have bunch of options here. uh, so security group is when you want to set up access control, you use security group. Distribution group is if you have exchange also here, so it will be sent to it will be used to send emails to the distribution group. And then you have domain local, it's on the same domain. Global is users and groups from the same domain. And universal is if you have a trust relationship, you can add users from other domains here also. And I'm actually not sure about global and domain local. I usually use global groups unless it's a multiple domain environment and I want to add users from other uh, domains, then I use universal. So whatever name we want to set, so test group, and okay, and the group is created. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.